Good morning. Today we will start with the comparison of auto, diesel and dual cycle. For the comparison, we have three parameters same peak pressure, same peak temperature, same heat rejection. We will discuss these three parameters. First, we will go through the PV diagram. This is pressure volume diagram for Auto cycle and diesel cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This represents Auto cycle. This is your Auto cycle here in PV diagram. 1, 2 dash, 3, 4. This is your diesel cycle here in PV diagram. Come to the temperature entropy diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your Auto cycle. 1, 2 dash, 3, 4. This is your diesel cycle. So we have pressure volume diagram and temperature entropy diagram. Because we have three parameters to discuss. One is pressure, second is temperature, third is same amount of heat rejection. So a single graph can't show. Pressure we will discuss in this graph, temperature and heat rejection we will discuss in this graph. Now you can see in this diagram, in the Auto cycle, this is your compression, this is your heat addition, this is your expansion, this is your heat rejection. So the maximum pressure will be achieved at this point. When you compress, after compression, you will add fuel, you will supply heat. We will supply heat in this here. This is your heat addition. This is your heat addition. In this graph you can see here. So heat supplied is you can say here from 2 to 3. So 3 is the maximum pressure achieved in Auto cycle. And same you can see in diesel cycle. 1 to 2 is your dash is your compression, 2 dash to 3 is your heat addition. So diesel, the heat addition is at constant pressure. So 2 dash and 3 both are same. So this is the maximum pressure. In the Auto cycle, 3 point is the maximum pressure. In the diesel cycle, 2 dash, 3 dash, this is your maximum pressure. So in the both the cycle, your pressure is same. So one condition is satisfied. In the both cycle, your maximum pressure in the, you can say cycle, throughout the cycle is, the maximum peak pressure in both the cycle is same. So what it means, both engines are built to withstand the same mechanical stresses. If the maximum pressure is same, whether it is a Auto cycle, whether it is a diesel cycle, if the maximum pressure is same, means both engines, whether it is a petrol engine, whether it is a diesel engine, has to withstand same mechanical stresses. Now come to the second point, peak temperature. Same peak temperature, you can see in the temperature entropy diagram. 1, 2, 3. After heat addition, from 2 to 3 your heat addition. 3 is the maximum temperature in the cycle. In diesel cycle, 2 dash to 3 is your heat addition. So 3 point is the maximum temperature achieved in diesel cycle. You can see 3 is common in both the cycle. Both the cycle, 3 point is same. Means maximum temperature achieved in both the cycle, whether it is a diesel cycle, whether it is a dual cycle, Auto cycle, is same. 3 point is same. So second condition is satisfied. Peak temperature is same in both the cycles. Now come to the third condition. Third condition is same amount of heat rejection. You can see here this 4 to 1. This is your heat rejection. This 4 to 1 curve is your heat rejection. This 4 to 1 is your heat rejection. This 4 to 1 is your heat rejection. So heat rejection 4 to 1. This is same. The area under 4 to 1 give you heat rejection. The area under 4 to 1 curve will give you the heat rejection. So this is common in both the cycle. Whether it is a Otto cycle, 4 to 1 is same. Whether it is a diesel cycle, 4 to 1 is same in both the cases. So third condition is satisfied, that heat rejection is same. Now if heat rejection is same, it means QR in both the cases is same. You know efficiency, you very well know efficiency of Otto cycle is 1 minus heat rejected by heat supplied. Same efficiency of diesel is 1 minus heat rejected divided by heat supplied. If QR is same, QS is different. So Q dash is greater than QS. You know, in case of diesel engine, heat supplied is more. In case of diesel engine, QS dash is more. While in Otto cycle, QS is less. So if QS dash is more, this quantity is less. This whole quantity is less. It means efficiency of diesel cycle is more compared to Otto cycle. So we conclude here the efficiency of diesel cycle is more as compared to efficiency of Otto cycle, and dual cycle efficiency lies in between these two cycles.